Hi, I'm Ken and this is my wife Martha. Welcome to our new home. Come on in. The thing that first attracted us to it to start with was the modern farmhouse look on the outside. That's what we started off looking for, and then trying to find the interior that matched our style.
We knew we were going to be building in kind of a farm community, so we wanted a house that kind of fit the style of the houses around here.
Well, the main thing that I liked about it is the river runs through it. We have a river that actually runs through our property.
I chose this house plan because I like the master bedroom being on the main floor. The light with all the windows was very appealing. I also like the two big porches, the front and the back porch, and the kitchen.
We're here in our kitchen and we have chosen all Jenn-Air appliances. We have a Jenn-Air gas range top, Jenn-Air microwave, Jenn-Air dishwasher, ovens, double oven, and built-in refrigerator. We chose those by, as Martha said earlier, we did a lot of research. We looked at consumer reports to find out what were the better brands. When we found the better brands, and then we looked at price. It was really a matter of the ones that we liked best, that were best rated, and then we went to price.
We used a lot of the designs that we used in our former house. We had remodeled it about 5 years ago, and we really liked it. It was one of the things we didn't want to leave in the other house, so we were able to bring a lot of the same things here.
We selected Smithport cabinets for our kitchen, and it really was a process that Martha went through with a kitchen designer, and they worked together to select cabinetry and arrangement that would fit our kitchen. There was only one thing that I input to this whole kitchen, and that was the size of the island. And my input was, how big can I get a countertop all in one piece? And that's what we got. That's as big as you can get one piece of countertop. We selected Delta for all of our faucets in the house. We have brushed nickel, and we selected those because we think they are going to last a lifetime for us. They're a name brand, they're highly reliable, and we selected a few special features that we kind of like to play with. So we got the plans, and they kind of fit. Absolutely good plans, but you know, it's our house. So we modified the dining room because we felt like it needed to be larger to fit our family. We have our family over fairly often for events, to holidays. We have older relatives who come to stay with us, so we converted the office that was downstairs into a downstairs bedroom. And because those two areas were enlarged, the upstairs rooms that were directly over them were enlarged as well. Probably the biggest thing that we changed was in the great room, which had a 10-foot ceiling in the design. And it has a dormer that has windows that in the original design, those windows were into the attic, and I just couldn't have that. In here we selected a Mendota gas fireplace. We traveled virtually all over Tennessee looking at various shops, and we found this one. We liked it a lot. From my point of view, it's really efficient because it brings outside combustion air in, so it's not pulling it in through all the cracks in the house. And then we surrounded that with cultured stone, and we had an excellent mason. Our building experience was really a lot of fun, actually, mainly because I like doing that sort of thing.
Well, I thought it went very smoothly. We had built another house before, and this was much easier this time.
We chose Pella Windows. They are a reputable brand. They have a high efficiency rating, and we got the UV protection. Martha is primarily responsible for the selection of the roof. I only selected the type of material to be used, but Martha, I bet, drove all over Middle Tennessee looking at houses. Just in case we ever have to replace it, we kept it in the house designer book, and it tells me exactly what I used, and that it is a pure gray. I'm on our back patio now, and one of the unique features of our back patio is the tile that we chose for the decking on the. We really wanted something that looked like wood, and we selected tile, and we got it from Floor & Decor. On this back patio, we expanded the length of it, which we really liked a lot. It helped a lot because we have a lot of family who comes over, and we built during the pandemic, and so when this was available for us, we were able to have our family come over, have dinner with us, and still stay outside, and we were able to make things comfortable for us because we have the retractable screens, so we could be bugless. And it was late fall when we started doing that sort of thing, and we have the infrared heaters out here that made it comfortable because it's cool at night. We put two, they're 6,000 watts each. We added, that's different from the plan, is the expansive back patio. And the original plan shows a pool in it, but we didn't really want a pool, but we did want to have a large entertainment space. And so instead of a pool, we put a lot of concrete so we can entertain a lot of people. I think this was we had one more house in us, I think, when we were getting ready to build, and we wanted to make this one right, something that we could evolve further as we grow older and still enjoy the house.
Well, we spent more time thinking about what we needed and what we would need in the future because we plan to stay here for our forever home.